What if your muscles were disappearing while you sleep? It sounds dramatic, but it's happening to millions of people every night without them realizing it. After the age of 60, the body naturally starts to lose muscle mass at a faster rate. Some of that loss happens quietly during the night while you're resting. And if you're going to bed on an empty stomach or skipping the right nutrients, your body may be breaking down your own muscle tissue just to fuel itself. This overnight breakdown process, called catabolism, can slowly chip away at your strength, mobility, and energy. You might not notice it right away, but over months or years, it adds up. That morning stiffness, that slower bounce back after activity, that feeling of just not being as strong as you once were, it often starts here. But here's the good news. You can fight back. And it doesn't take a complicated diet, heavy lifting, or expensive supplements. Just smart, strategic bedtime nutrition. In this guide, we'll look at 7 simple, science-backed foods that can help protect your muscles overnight, so you wake up feeling stronger, looser, and more energized. Each one is easy to find, gentle on digestion, and surprisingly powerful. These aren't just snacks, they're tools for muscle recovery and long-term vitality. Stay with me to the end, because number 1 is a food most people overlook. And once you understand how it works, it might become your new evening habit. Number 7. Cottage cheese. For adults over 60, one of the sneakiest threats to strength and independence is overnight muscle loss. While you sleep, your body naturally enters a repair state, but if there's not enough fuel available, it starts to break down muscle tissue to get what it needs. This process, known as catabolism, accelerates with age and can lead to gradual weakness over time. That's where cottage cheese comes in. Often overlooked, this humble food is a secret weapon for overnight recovery. What makes it so powerful is its high content of casein protein. Unlike fast-digesting proteins that are used up quickly, casein breaks down slowly, steadily releasing amino acids into your bloodstream for 6 to 8 hours. This extended release is perfect for matching your body's repair cycle while you sleep. Research backs this up. A well-known nutrition journal reported that older adults who consumed a small serving of casein-rich food before bed experienced a 30% increase in overnight muscle repair compared to those who didn't eat anything at all. That's a significant edge for anyone looking to stay strong and energetic. However, many older adults avoid eating before bed out of fear it might lead to weight gain. In reality, skipping nighttime protein can do more harm than good when it comes to maintaining muscle mass. To get it right, have half a cup of plain, low-fat cottage cheese about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. It's gentle on digestion and easy to prepare. If the taste is too plain, add a few slices of strawberry, a drizzle of raw honey, or even a teaspoon of flax seeds for extra fiber and heart-healthy fats. Simple, effective, and backed by science. Cottage cheese is a quiet powerhouse that supports muscle health while you rest. Number 6. Hard-boiled eggs. When it comes to preserving muscle after 60, many people focus on daytime meals and overlook the importance of nighttime nutrition. Yet your body continues to repair and rebuild muscle tissue while you sleep, and it needs the right fuel to do it. A common gap is a lack of leucine, an essential amino acid that plays a key role in triggering muscle protein synthesis. Without enough leucine at night, muscle repair slows dramatically, especially in older adults. Hard-boiled eggs are a compact, powerful solution. They're rich in high-quality protein and provide all 9 essential amino acids, including a generous dose of leucine. This makes them one of the most efficient foods for supporting muscle health, especially when eaten before bed. Scientific research backs this up. A 2021 study found that older adults who consumed eggs before sleeping retained 19% more muscle mass over time compared to those who didn't. These individuals also had higher levels of growth hormone, a key player in tissue repair and overall recovery. Despite their benefits, many people still think of eggs as a breakfast food only. Others worry they're too heavy for a late snack. But hard-boiled eggs are surprisingly easy to digest, especially when kept simple. To get the most out of them, eat 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs about 30 minutes before bed. Prepare a batch in advance, so they're ready when you need them. For extra nourishment, pair with a slice of avocado to add healthy fats, or a handful of cherry tomatoes to introduce antioxidants that combat inflammation. This small nutrient-packed snack can make a big difference in how your body recovers overnight, helping you wake up stronger, not stiffer. Number 5. Tuna in olive oil. If you deal with joint stiffness, restless sleep, or muscle soreness in the morning, your evening nutrition may be missing a key opportunity. Tuna packed in olive oil is an underrated but powerful option that helps reduce inflammation and repair muscle overnight, especially important for adults over 60. Tuna offers a rich source of high-quality protein and leucine, which stimulates muscle repair. Meanwhile, olive oil brings in healthy monounsaturated fats that slow digestion and extend the release of amino acids throughout the night. These fats also enhance the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin D, which is vital for muscle function and immune health, yet often deficient in older adults. Research confirms this effect. A 2020 study showed that older adults who ate a protein-plus fat snack like tuna in olive oil before bed experienced 34% more overnight muscle repair. They also reported lower levels of joint pain and better quality sleep, likely due to reduced systemic inflammation. Still, many people miss the benefit by choosing heavily processed versions like tuna salad loaded with mayo or dressings. These can be tough on digestion and undermine the anti-inflammatory value. To get the full benefit, enjoy half a can of tuna packed in olive oil about 30 minutes before bed. Pair it with fiber-rich celery sticks, cucumber slices, or a few whole grain crackers for a satisfying, balanced snack. Add a dash of lemon juice, a sprinkle of black pepper, or some chopped herbs for flavor. Skip the creamy sauces and dressings. This simple bedtime combo works in harmony with your body's natural repair cycle, helping you wake up with fewer aches and more strength to move through the day. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Many older adults wake up feeling stiff, sluggish, or bloated. Signs your body didn't get what it needed overnight. That's where plain Greek yogurt can make a big difference. With its unique mix of casein protein, probiotics, and calcium, it's a triple-action recovery food that supports muscles, digestion, and bone health while you sleep. Greek yogurt is thicker and more concentrated than regular yogurt because it's triple-strained. This process increases its protein content, especially slow-digesting casein, which fuels muscle repair over several hours. That slow release is ideal during the 6 to 8 hours you spend asleep, when your body is actively rebuilding. What sets Greek yogurt apart is more than just protein. It's also rich in probiotics, which support a healthy gut microbiome. This matters because good digestion helps your body absorb the nutrients it needs for recovery, something that becomes harder with age. And with its high calcium content, Greek yogurt also supports healthy bones and muscle contractions, both essential for mobility. Scientific backing makes this even more compelling. In a 6-week clinical study, older adults who ate Greek yogurt before bed showed 26% greater muscle repair, better energy production within their muscle cells, and reduced morning fatigue compared to those who skipped the snack. A common mistake? Choosing flavored yogurts with added sugars. These can spike your blood sugar and interfere with sleep, canceling out the benefits. Instead, go with half a cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Stir in a handful of blueberries for antioxidants, a pinch of ground ginger for inflammation, or pumpkin seeds for extra protein and healthy fats. It's a small change that can bring better sleep, stronger muscles, and more energized mornings. Exactly what you need to stay active and independent after 60. Number 3. Warm milk with turmeric. Waking up with stiff joints or lingering aches isn't just frustrating. It's a sign that your body may be missing key nutrients needed for overnight repair. For older adults, combining warm milk with turmeric offers a gentle yet powerful solution to ease joint pain, support muscle health, and improve sleep quality. Milk is naturally rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and provides a steady stream of amino acids throughout the night. It also contains tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and helps you fall asleep faster. The calcium in milk supports both bone health and muscle contractions, two crucial factors for mobility as we age. Adding turmeric takes this simple drink to the next level. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory that targets joint pain and muscle soreness. It works especially well overnight, when your body is already in a state of repair. A 2022 study highlighted the impact of this combination. Seniors who consumed a curcumin-fortified protein beverage before bed had 32% more overnight muscle repair and reported significantly less joint stiffness by morning compared to those who didn't. One common mistake is skipping the black pepper. Without it, your body struggles to absorb curcumin efficiently, and using too much sugar or flavored syrups can counteract the benefits by disrupting sleep. To do it right, warm 1 cup of milk, organic, A2, or fortified non-dairy alternatives all work well. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. If you like, add a drop of maple syrup or cinnamon for taste. Sip slowly about 30 minutes before bed. This soothing bedtime ritual not only calms the mind, but also nourishes the body, helping you wake up less sore, more mobile, and ready to move. Number 2, almond butter. Muscle loss isn't just about what happens in the gym, or what doesn't. For older adults, high nighttime cortisol levels, the body's stress hormone, and blood sugar dips can quietly chip away at strength and energy. Almond butter offers a delicious, research-backed way to stop that decline while helping you sleep more deeply. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, almond butter provides slow-digesting fuel that keeps your body nourished through the night. Its magnesium content plays a vital role in muscle relaxation, which can prevent nighttime cramps and ease restless legs. At the same time, vitamin E offers antioxidant protection that helps muscle cells recover and rebuild. One study found that older adults who included almond-based fats in their evening routine retained 17% more muscle mass over time and had significantly lower cortisol levels. The result? Less nighttime restlessness, better sleep quality, and stronger muscles come morning. A common misstep is grabbing processed almond butter filled with added sugar or palm oil. These additives can interfere with digestion and negate the calm, steady energy your body needs during sleep. To get the benefits, keep it simple. Enjoy 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter 30 minutes before bed. You can eat it straight from the spoon, or spread it on a slice of whole grain toast or fresh pear slices. Look for almond butter with no more than 2 ingredients, just almonds and maybe a pinch of salt. This small habit can make a big difference. By gently fueling your body, supporting your nervous system, and balancing blood sugar, almond butter sets the stage for restorative sleep and overnight repair, without heavy meals or complicated prep. For older adults looking to feel more rested and resilient each morning, it's an easy, effective choice. Number 1, tart cherry juice. For older adults, inflammation is one of the most persistent threats to health, often showing up as muscle soreness, stiff joints, or restless sleep. Tart cherry juice offers a natural, science-backed solution that can work while you rest. What makes this juice so powerful is its high content of anthocyanins, the antioxidants responsible for its deep red color. These compounds reduce oxidative stress and muscle damage, easing soreness and joint pain that often flare up overnight. Tart cherries also contain melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate your body's internal clock and improves sleep quality. In a 2019 study, adults over 50 who drank tart cherry juice before bed reported 33% less muscle soreness, 15% better sleep, and higher antioxidant levels in their blood the next morning. This translates to better overnight repair, deeper sleep, and greater resilience throughout the day. A common mistake is buying cherry juice blends that are sweetened or diluted with other fruit juices. These can spike blood sugar and actually suppress melatonin production, counteracting the juice's natural benefits. To use tart cherry juice effectively, drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. If the taste is too strong, you can dilute it with a bit of cold water or a splash of orange juice. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners. They diminish the recovery benefits. This simple nightly ritual doesn't require cooking or prep, and yet it can dramatically improve how your body heals overnight. Whether you're dealing with achy joints or struggling to stay asleep, tart cherry juice may be the missing piece in your bedtime routine that helps you wake up feeling stronger and more refreshed. Mistakes to avoid. Even the most nutritious foods can lose their power if used the wrong way. A common mistake is skipping food before bed altogether, thinking fasting helps weight control. In reality, going to bed hungry speeds up muscle breakdown overnight, especially after age 60. Another trap is choosing sugary or flavored versions of healthy foods. Sweetened yogurt, fruit juices with added sugar, or almond butter with palm oil all spike blood sugar and disrupt sleep. Some also forget to pair protein with healthy fats. Without fat, nutrients digest too quickly to sustain muscle repair through the night. Timing matters too. Eating too close to bedtime can cause indigestion, especially with heavier foods. And if you're on medication, always check for possible interactions. Even natural foods like pine nuts or tart cherry juice may not be ideal alongside certain prescriptions. With a little planning, you can turn bedtime into a recovery window, not a missed opportunity. Don't sleep on your nutrition, literally. What you eat before bed could be the missing link between feeling stiff and slow in the morning or waking up strong, rested, and ready to take on the day. As we age, our body changes how it processes nutrients. That's why making smarter nighttime food choices can have a bigger impact than ever. It's not about dieting or restriction. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to rebuild, recover, and stay resilient through the years. Whether it's a spoonful of almond butter, a few ounces of tart cherry juice, or half a cup of Greek yogurt, these simple, accessible foods work quietly through the night to protect your strength and ease inflammation. If you're over 50 and care about your vitality, start seeing bedtime as part of your wellness strategy, not just the end of your day. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Comment stronger sleep if you've tried any of these bedtime boosters, or share your own go-to snack before bed. I read and reply to every comment. And remember, while these tips are grounded in science, they're not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your doctor, especially if you're managing conditions or medications. Here's to sleeping stronger, aging smarter, and waking up with purpose.